Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to hide chat in Signal private messenger. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To hide a chat in Signal, you can use archive chats feature or the screen lock feature for the added privacy. So to do it, what you need to do is head over and open up the Signal app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here you'll be sent to the chat section. So what you need to do now is select the conversation that you want to hide, and once you select it, swipe left on it or long tap on it and you'll find the option that says archive. Simply tap on it and then your selected message or conversation will be hidden. And now to access it, what you need to do is head over to your profile icon, and then you'll find an option that says archive. Simply tap on that and then the hidden message will be shown on your screen. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and now you can use screen lock for privacy as well. You can also set up screen lock to protect your Signal app with passcode or biometric authentication. Open Signal and go to the settings, tap privacy and screen lock, enable screen lock and set a face ID, touch ID or a passcode. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.